Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Vibros Club reviews. Friends, in this video, I'll help you know whether Vibros Club is a legit product or a scam one. And this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? Apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the image of this Vibros Club, and guys, it is a body buffer massager that helps in improving body shape, reducing excess fat from various body parts and extra inches around your waist. Guys, this is the modifications of this product, and it comes in ergonomic design which makes it comfortable to use. And the citizens of United States are curious to know more about this product, guys, so let's discuss more things about this product. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, talking about the specifications of this product, it comes in silver white color, guys, and its dimensions are 16 by 10 centimeter. Apart from that, the price of this device or this product is $99.99, and you can also buy one Vibros Club with fiber pads. It will cost around $199.99. You can save your $120, and apart from that, you can also purchase one Vibros Club plus fiber pads and toning gel, and it will cost around $139.99. So you can save your $140 here. So you can choose a package according to your necessity or according to your requirement, guys. And talking about other information, so yes, it supports point massage, guys, which is an amazing thing to get relaxation. And let's talk about the other information, guys. This massager also improves blood circulation and reduces muscle tension. Apart from that, it creates smoothing waves and a soft buffing effect. Now talking about the pros of this amazing product, so yes, this body buffer massager is portable and easy to use. Apart from that, the buffer head rotates at an impressive 2600 rpms, creating speed which creates smoothing waves, guys, and it gives relaxation. Apart from that, it is ideal for arms, abdomen, back, hips, glutes and legs, and it works with variable speed intensity for soft or deep massage. It relaxes and soothes your body. And apart from that, it is best for home use, guys. It is suitable for all women who want a perfect shape and relaxation. Now guys, talking about the legitimacy of this product, before making any online purchase, it's really very important to talk about the legitimacy of a particular product. So according to our in-depth research, we have found that the seller's official website's domain age is 12th of December 2017. This means that it was established before 3 years and 2 months ago. So this is a sign of legitimacy that this old domain name makes this product quite legit. Guys, talking about Vibros Club reviews, we have found 4.1 star rating out of 5 on internet and on other platforms. But yes, we are not able to find customer reviews on the official website. And apart from that, guys, there are mixed reviews about this product because few customers are not satisfied with the quality of this product, and however most of the customers are satisfied with the work function of this product. One of the customers said it is super amazing, and another customer said I am pleased with it. Not sure I am seeing big results, yes, but it's powerful, and with time I'm hoping I see results. I am pleased with it. So guys, these are the positive comments that the customers have posted on the legit platforms, and one of the customers said good quality and handling. So yes, on the basis of these customer reviews, we can say or we can conclude that this Vibros Club massager is a legit product. You can give it a try, guys. However, if you want to make a purchase of this product, then you need to check the entire reviews at your level. Apart from that, this product has social media presence on Facebook only, and they have recently created their page, and the Facebook page creation date is February 6, 2020. So this is a negative sign here, as the website, or you can say the seller website, was established before 3 years, and they have created their social media profile on Facebook on February 6, 2020. So this is a negative sign here. So this makes the product quite suspicious as well. So yes, in the final conclusion, I would say this product is a legit product, guys. You can give it a try if you want, but I would like to advise you that you can also prefer other platforms to give best alternatives, or to avail the benefits of other alternatives of the same product. So do proper research before making any decision. Check everything from your site before placing any order, guys. And I request you all to share your experience with this product. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.